Let us discuss a square minus 5 plus. Let us discuss the solution one by one. What is the answer of this? Divide each term by a. So a minus 5 plus 1 upon a. A plus 1 upon a will be 5. A plus 1 upon a will be 5. Then you will consider a plus 1 upon a whole square. A square plus 1 upon a square plus 2. Then a plus 1 upon a is 5. 5 square is 25. 25 minus 2 is 23. The correct answer is 23. Yes, the correct answer is 23. Do this one. So first, for a square minus 1 upon a square, you will use the formula a plus 1 upon a into a minus 1 upon a. So you have to find a plus 1 upon a and a minus 1 upon a. So a square plus 1 upon a, you will consider a plus 1 upon a whole square. That will come plus minus 3. Yes, that will come plus minus 3. Then to find a minus 1 upon a whole square, that will be yes, so that will come plus minus 3 root 5. This will come root 5. So multiplication of this will be plus minus 3 root 5. So this is the correct answer. 3 into root 5 will be. Let us discuss this third part. A minus 1 upon a is 8. To find a square minus 1 upon a square, you have to use the formula a minus 1 upon a into a plus 1 upon a. A minus 1 upon a is given. Now from this a minus 1 upon a, you find a square plus 1 upon a square. Then once you find a square plus 1 upon a square, then you can find a plus 1 upon a whole square will be a square plus 1 upon a whole square plus 2. Okay. So what is the correct answer? The correct answer is 16 plus minus 16 roots plus minus 16 root 17. This is the correct answer. Then what about this fourth one? A plus b plus minus 3, because a plus b is 7. Okay. So how will you find a minus b? You will consider from a plus b, you will find yes, use the direct formula. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is 4. Is 4ab, sorry, 4ab. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is 4ab. Just substitute the value and simplify. So the correct answer is plus minus 3. Now fifth one. If fifth one, okay, the value of 8q, the value of 8q plus minus 5q plus 3q plus minus 3q plus minus 3q is a 306, B 603, C 360 and D 630. Okay, so which property you have to use, that you have to see. When it will be 3 ABC. So first you check whether a plus b plus c. First you check whether a plus b plus c is 0. First you check whether a plus b plus c is 0. Yes, if it is 0, then it will be 3ABC. If a square 360, yes, 360 is the absolute correct answer. A square plus 1 upon a square is 23. Then the value of then the value of AQ plus 1 upon AQ, AQ plus 1 upon AQ is, AQ plus 1 upon AQ is A plus minus 100, B plus minus 110, C plus minus 120, D plus minus 130. Start. So 3 and 4 are clear to everybody. A plus B is 7. To find A minus B, I will use this formula. A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square is equal to 4AB. You are given the value of A plus B, substitute. You are given AB, substitute. Work out, get A minus B. Okay, so do third and fourth. Sorry, fifth and sixth. So in the examination also you will get this type of problems only. Which answer? Plus minus 110. Let other also calculate. Then we will reveal the answer. Okay. Let other also calculate. Then 7th one. 0.6 into 0.6, 0.6 into 0.6 into 0.6 minus 0.3 into 0.3 into 0.3 divided by 0.6 into 0.6 plus 0.6 into 0.3 plus 0.3 into 0.3 is, yes, correct. So what is the answer of fifth? 360. Just tell me the name one by one. Satish Patel, 360. Other? What is your name? Sarita. Okay, Savita 360. Then Tanvi Patel 360. Okay, 360. First tell me your name. Abhishek Chauhan 360. Okay. Riddhi. Okay, so let us log this answer 360. 360 is the correct answer. Okay. Because A plus B plus C is 0, then we use the result AQ plus BQ plus CQ is 3 times A into B into C. Just put the value of ABC, you will get the answer. Now 7th I am writing the answer. 0.9 B, 0.4 C, 0.3 D, 0.2. Okay. We'll see. Yes. We'll see the answer. If A minus B is 4, we'll see that. If A minus one answer is 0.3. Let us see other answer for that. A minus B is 4 and A plus B is 6. 0.3. Okay. A minus B is 4, A plus B is 6. Then the value of is A square plus B square 0.3. 3 students have got the answer 0.3. Let us see. Okay, 0.3. Okay. A's option is 16, B 36, C 46 and D 26. Let us see which. What is the answer? First one, C. Yes, this will be A. A into A into A cube. A into A into A cube minus B cube upon A square plus AB plus B square. But A cube minus B cube I can write A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. Now that get cancelled. What is A minus B? A is 0.6 minus 0.3 is 0.3. 0.3 is the correct answer. Go for next. Okay. 26 is one of the answer. Let us see. Let us other student also calculate. 26. Yes. So which formula? How you have calculated? Tanvi Patel, you. 1 minute. Tanvi Patel, how you have calculated? Then you have found AB. Okay. Yes. After finding AB. After finding AB, how you have found A square plus B square? You have considered A plus B whole square. Very good, very good. Chalo. That means it is clear. Then get the answer. What is that answer? 26. Okay. So let us log this answer 26. So 26 is the correct answer. Then ninth one. Okay. If A square minus 3A, if A square minus 3A minus 1 equal to 0, then the value of A plus 1 upon A plus 1 upon A is start this. A, 2, B, 3, C, 5, D, 7. Okay, then 10th one. If you do the first calculation, then only you will get the answer. Then, let me take few questions from rational number also. Then 10th one, 1 upon, yes, one of the answer is 3. Let us see other also. 1 upon 3 minus root 8, 3 minus root 8, minus 1 upon root 8 minus root 7, root 8 minus root 7, then plus 1 upon root 7 minus root 6, root 7 minus root 6, minus 1 upon root 6 minus root 5, root 6 minus root 5, root 6 minus root 5, plus 1 upon root 5 minus 2, root 5 minus 2 is option A 1, B 3, C 5, D 7. Work out this. Rationalize the denominator of each. You have to rationalize the denominator of each. So these things we have discussed. Answer is not coming, which is given in 1 upon 3 minus root 8, root 8, 1 minute, plus 1 upon root 7 minus root 6, minus 1 upon root 6, Ninth one. How 13? Right, let us see. Let us see. Let us see ninth one. A square minus 3a minus 1 equal to 0. So divide this term by a. A minus 3 minus 1 upon a is 0. So a minus 1 upon a is 3. Okay. Let us see. Now we use the formula. A plus 1 upon a whole square minus a minus 1 upon a whole square is equal to 4. Correct. So this is minus 3 here. So a plus 1 upon a whole square minus 3 square 4. So plus minus, so this you write 12 and this you write root 12 and this you write root 13. This you write root 15. This you write root 17. Now which is the correct answer? B. Does not matter. Even if one answer is given in the option, you can take that. So B is plus minus root 13 or root 30. Okay. So very good. Now go for next. Yes, everybody solved. Only some 5-6 students they are giving the answer. What about others? Others will not appear the exam of 40 marks. So if you appear the exam, give the answer. If a plus 2b, 11th one. If a plus 2b is 5, a plus 2b is equal to 5, then the value of a cube plus 8b cube, a cube plus 8b cube plus 30ab is A 115, B 135, C 125 and D what is that answer? 5. So one student have got 5. Let us see the other. So 1 is 5. Let us calculate other also. Other also calculate. If 3a plus 5b plus 4c, if 3a plus 5b plus 4c is equal to 0, then C answer 5. This 10th answer is 5. So 2 students they have got 5. 2 students they have got 5. Let us wait for others also. If x plus y is 5 and x cube plus y cube is 35 and x cube plus y cube is x cube plus y cube is 35, then then x square plus y square is, then x square plus y square is a 3 b 13 c 23 d 33. Yes. So this answer is 5. How many have got 5? Yes. Tell me. Okay. What are your names? Satish Patel, then Tanvi Patel, Savita. Okay. Then where is Ashwin? Ashwin is there? Which answer? 10th one. 11th one. What is the answer? 125. Let us other also calculate. We'll see. One pick I am doing. But I will not log this answer 125 unless there is majority. 3, 4, 5. Now go for next one. Go for 12. Go for 12. Yes, everybody has to appear the examination. So everybody try to solve and give the answer now. Yeah? Because again I am reminding you that your 9th standard, 10th standard marks are very much important. Internal marks or external marks or written examination or oral examination. They may be sent to the board and accordingly your marks will be given in 10. So take each and every exam seriously. 13. There is no second chance. Just remember. There is no second chance. Okay? If a square plus b square is 34, a square plus b square is 34, and ab is 12, and ab is 12, then the value of 3 times a plus b whole square plus 5 times a minus b whole square is, chalo start, is a 114, b 224, c 234, b 244. Get done. 125. Okay. So Satish Patel 125. Then any other? Tanvi Patel. Where is Tanvi Patel? Then Abhishek 125. 125. Okay. Okay. So let us log this answer. Okay. So let us log this answer 125. You will do cube on both the sides. A plus b to the whole cube. Then use the formula a plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into bracket a plus b. This side it will be 125. Okay. 125 is the answer. Go for 12, 13. Now let me give 14. If x plus y is 7, and x cube plus y cube is 133, plus y cube is 133. 1 minute. It is showing clear from our side. It is 133. Huh? It is blur. 1 minute. 1 minute. Do not worry. Let me change the net. 1 minute. Continue. We'll discuss. Let me check the. Now you see. Now what about board? Yes. One minute. Yes, I am able to see. Now it is clear. Yes, tell me, now it is clear. You give reply. Now it is clear, board. Okay. Chalo, solve this. Solve this. 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay. Is 29, B 19, C 39 and D 49. Which answer? 13. 12th answer is 13. Yes, so let us log this answer 13. Yes. What others have got 13 only or different answer? Okay, so let us, so 13 is the correct answer. Yes. 13 is the correct answer. Now do 13 and 14. In this 13 first you find a plus b, then you find a minus b, and then you get the answer. Get the answer. How much time is there? 1 minute is there? Yes? Yes, absolutely correct answer. 224, yes. 224, go for next. X plus y is 7, x cube plus y cube is 133, find the value of x square plus y square. Get the answer. How much time is left? 1 minute is there. Okay, so this video I will upload. You can solve this 14 question. From the YouTube you can see that 224. 13 to 24. What about 14? Okay, so 14, this video I will upload on the YouTube. You can see this question from the video and try to solve it. Now we stop here because we are having other period also. So now we stop here. Chalo 1 minute I am giving. Do it not.